Trade at your own risks. The market can invalidate this theory. So, tingnan po natin si Bitcoin. Pero let's just right now go with our technicals for this point. So, kukunin ko pa din na 56 ang ating support. Kahit nagpapaganda ng merong magandang impulse yan, I'm not gonna be convinced na aakit siya until meron tayong nakikitang neckline na babasagin. So, from there, you go with your high to low Fibonacci. Diyan ko po nakuha yung ating resistance kanina. If you're going to be an intraday trader, maganda po yung pinakikita ng ating price ngayon because nakakita po tayo ng medyo magandang pangitain, no? So this becomes your key level from an intraday perspective. Abangan ng breakout tabo, wala nang confirmation yan. Stop loss within this area. Kuha tayo ng mabilis na take profit mga kamiranda. Pwede natin kunin yan within the 62,480 T1. Trade at your own risks. The market can invalidate this TA mga kamiranda. But kung nasabi na dito kukuha sa 61,500